Okay, yes, you see the 6212 out again. I'm still able to lift things and move things, so I just put the 66 out of the way for a few minutes, and it's kind of bugging me about the foot pedal. And of course, it hit me last night that really all I have to do is remember to keep my foot off the foot pedal unless I'm sewing. So don't get in the habit of sitting with your foot heavy on the gas, is how I put it before. One of the tests I need to do for this machine is my two 237s have been wonderful for any kind of knitting. And this is a pattern I'm doing for a 28-inch Barbie doll. And part of the pattern is to sew straps on, and you can do it by hand or by machine. This is one of the, it can be one of the more difficult yarns to work with. This is Lion Brand Homespun. Beautiful colors, all acrylic, bulky, looks wonderful in projects, but this is what it does. It frays like that. So if anything's going to snag a machine, it'll be this. Now, I'm just using a needle to pull that end out of the way. So that's one issue with homespun. Another positive about homespun, it's I think the only yarn that Lion Brand makes in America. All their other yarns, they are imported. But homespun bulky, they make in America, and in fact it's based on, all the colors are based on famous American things, like, I forget what they call this one, but it's purple, so it could be Purple Mountain Majesties or something. But anyway, so this is pretty thick, and the dress that I'm making is pretty thick, and I have it pinned where I need to add the strap. I'm going to put the strap about a 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch on the inside of the dress, and I'm going to leave this black thread in this because this is just a sample for the pattern, and the black will actually disappear in this yarn anyway. But if it screws up and I need to pull that out, at least I'll see black against purple. So it turns out any kind of foot controller with a disc stack is going to heat up if you keep your foot on it all the time. Sometimes even when you don't have your foot on it with the real old ones. So a couple of people have suggested that what you can do is look for new electronic foot pedals. But let's just go ahead and do this. I'm going to put it on Stitch Selector 5 with a tension of 2, straight stitch, center needle, and let's just see how it plows through this, or not. This is the B presser foot on this machine, which is their all-purpose presser foot. And I'm impressed. Do you know why I'm impressed? So many times when sewing knitting, the feed dogs do not forward the fabric because it's yarn. I'm impressed. I'm leaving the needle down. I'm pushing the reverse button. And this machine likes knitting, which is not all that common. Take the pin out, and we have another positive for the 6212. One positive I meant to mention yesterday is that the bobbin loads on the front, the needle threads from front to back. It means you can use twin needle on this machine. So far it passed the Barbie doll bulky knit dress test.